What y'all doing today?
Making a pizza.
Yeah, tell them what you got. Tell them what you got.
So we got onions and
Bell peppers. What is that?
And olives.
Olives.
And
turkey pepperoni.
And cheese.
Cheese.
And sauce. Meat.
Sauce.
Sauce.
Meat and the pizza dough. So grab your dough. I'm gonna hold the plate. Grab you one. There you go. Grab you one. So what y'all putting down? Y'all gonna put the sauce down first? So while y'all gonna do it, tell the people what y'all putting down. Let me put it right here. Put the bowl right there. Let me get him the spoon. Put the bowl in between y'all. Okay, they saucing up. They get them. Sauce it. Sauce it.
Gonna need a big spoon.
They gonna need a big spoon. He trying to make it look at it. He want to put sauce on here. And y'all will be cooking this pizza. Come look at it. She can't even get it no more. She gonna eat the sauce.
There
you go. Look at the sauce.
Okay.
You got your sauce on your pizza, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we gonna slide the cheese in the. Go on and get your cheese, sir. Go on and get your cheese. I got a greedy baby over here. I'm supposed to be making his pizza, but he's eating. Oh, look at that. She got the cheese. He got the cheese. Spread the cheese around, sir. Spread the cheese around. Look at your sister plate. Look at your sister plate. You will be eating this. Actually, we'll show y'all the difference between her plate and his.
Oh my God. I really like my plate.
Oh, she adding the pepperoni. Y'all gotta save y'all some cheese because y'all might maybe want some more cheese. She putting pepperoni on it. He putting pepperoni on it and cheese. So I need some. He got his pepperoni. Spread it on now. Look at her. He just want to eat it.
I'm gonna use this next.
The olives. What you want to use next, sir? Them onions and bell pepper. He want onions and bell peppers.
My pizza look good.
You see your pizza what?
I look good. Like cheese, I'm gonna sprinkle it. I need some meat.
We got a whole bowl. Whole bowl of meat. So.
Yeah. The meat.
His pizza just all crazy. Y'all see that? Her pizza, she is a little neat with hers.
I need some pepperonis. Me too. Can I get some pepperonis?
Yes, you may. She wanted more pepperoni.
Just topping. And then
Oh, they making healthy pizzas. They ain't say you know cheese, though.
Okay.
All right. You want to tell them what kind of pizza you got? What you call your pizza?
It's a homemade pizza, but I made meat and cheese, pepperonis, and extra cheese.
What kind of pizza it is?
It's a master pizza. A big pizza.
A big pizza, y'all.
This is what our pizza turned out.
Then it's ready to bring it to the light, huh?
Yeah, it smells so good.
Smells so good. Let me see.
Guys, you want to smell mine? It smells like real pizza.
You gotta blow it. What it taste like?
Oh,
hot.
Ah, it went down my shirt.
Hot. Is it hot? Yeah.
It went down my shirt. Ouch. It went down my shirt.
He don't care about the heat. He don't care about the heat. What about you?
No, I do kill because it's hot. It went down my shirt and that burns. We have sign in the background. I did kill it off. Thank you for watching me and King pizza video. And then comment and subscribe to our channel. And then comment down below who's look better.